Click subscribe and press on the bell icon for updates and notifications. Hello guys, Jishan here, back to another video. Today I'm gonna change engine oil of my Apache RTR 180. I bought Shell Advanced fully synthetic oil and the grade is 10W40. I purchased this in Amazon for rupees 626. I will include product link in the description, check it out if you like. So, which is the best engine oil company? If you are a budget minded, Shell Advanced fully synthetic oil is best for you. By the way, currently I am using Motul engine oil, but this time I want to try Shell Advanced oil once. But guys, I do recommend to use only Motul fully synthetic oil because it lubricates much better than any other companies and gives long life to engine. It will cost more, but it worth to purchase. I hope still there are few people who don't know how to change engine oil, so I will also show that in this video. One more thing guys, a big thanks for all of you for surpassing 1000 subscribers. Thanks a lot for your great support. If you have any questions or anything, write in the comment section below. So let's begin. Unscrew this bolt which is located below the engine using 17mm ring wrench. Remove that bolt and let the oil flow out completely into a bowl. After the oil gets drained, tight the screw using the same 17mm ring wrench. Now take out the refill cap and pull the kick rod aside, then pour the oil slowly. After completing, tight the cap in its place using a cutting plier.